How to add playing a game on Discord mobile. In order to do that, you first need to head over right here into your Discord mobile and have it opened. Now, from in there, in order to display your game activity, what you can do is you first need to head right here into your profile page, or you could just click on this U option right here into the bottom in order to get it. Now, once you're in here, next thing you need to do is just click on this gear icon right around this part. And from in there you can see your account settings. So under this you can see all of these things. Make sure to click on this content and social. And in here we have this from Discord. So from in there you can see your server settings, your activity status, as well as activity joining. Make sure that these two right here are enabled. Once you have enabled them, next thing you need to do is to just head over here to your connected games and make sure to connect a game. If you want to do so, you can actually connect a game using your actual browser into the actual discord.com website. And once it's been connected, whenever you're playing that game, even on your mobile, it will actually appear right there. So that's all there is today. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel. And if you got a question, just drop it in the comments.